So this is Power BI, and this is showing us data from how many hours we've spent on each client. So each fish represents a client, and the bigger the fish, the larger the number of hours that we've spent with that customer. The biggest fish is actually ourselves, so that's a lot of time is spent internally on internal projects. But yeah, that's when you mouse over the fish, it'll show you who it is, and if I can find my mouse, which I can't, it'll show you. Basically comes up as my name, and that's 51.5 hours. So yeah, basically each time you mouse over a fish, it tells you who the client is and how many hours we've spent on them. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Something worth looking into, and give us a shout if you're interested in having. It's more a case of looking at the data that BI can give you rather than a couple of fish swimming along. But there's a lot of powerful information you can get from Microsoft Power BI. Thanks. Cheers.